Hello traders. Today we'll be looking at the Volume RV MTF Indicator for MT4. This tool lets you monitor relative volume for multiple time frames in a single view, so you can quickly see when current activity is above or below typical levels across different horizons. I will load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Now the Volume RV MTF Indicator displays relative volume readings derived from several selected timeframes, either in a sub-window in our case, or as compact blocks on the chart in other versions. It also displays color arrows highlighting the direction of the trend. As you can see on the chart, each reading shows whether current volume is higher, lower, or roughly equal compared to its recent average on that time frame, helping you visually separate high participation conditions from quieter periods. When multiple higher time frame relative volume readings are elevated at once, it visually highlights moments when the market is particularly active. The score settings include the history, as the number of bars it will look at, the time frame, which you can change, whether save it at current, the calculation, the volume period and mode, price, and other settings or parameters, including the alerts, and also adjust the color of the line and the bar. Now, who is it for? The volume RF MTF indicator is suited for traders who want a compact way to check whether the current move is supported by volume across several time frames, such as breakouts, trend, and news traders. It uses historical volume, often tick volume in Forex, and can be distorted by one-off spikes. It does not give trade signals on its own, so it must be combined with price structure and risk management. These arrows are not trade signals on its own and should not be treated as such. As you can see over time, you can find the download link in the description below. You can also read more about the Volume RV MTF indicator for MT4 and see example charts at the Forex Gig. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.